Hello, I am Anil Kumar sharing with you some application problems on sine law and cosine law. Here is the question. Humber Trail has a triangular trail. First you walk straight for 3 kilometers, then take a sharp turn 135 degrees to the left and walk straight to the next turn. A turn to 95 degrees again to the left will take you back to the starting point. How long is the entire trail? Okay, let's first sketch it. Let's say this is straight 3 kilometers. And then you take a sharp turn 135. What does it mean? You would have gone like this, right? 135, that means more than 90, 90 plus 45. Kind of like this, right? So that is the sharp turn. And then you kind of walk, right? So let's say you take a trail from here and then you walk further. Let's say you walk like this, right? So let's go further because next turn is 95 degrees, right? So okay, what we will do is we'll come back 95 degrees and see where we land, right? Okay, so this is your direction, which is 135 degrees from the way you were going. So this is 135 degrees, correct? And let us say you started and you went 3 kilometers. Now it says that you take a turn to left again by 95 degrees. So 90 degrees will be kind of like this from here, right? 95 is kind of slightly more. So let's say like this. So we'll end up here, right? So let us assume that is our starting point. And this angle here is 95 degrees for us. Okay, so that is the diagram. So let's say the starting point is A, then we took a turn from B. This is a sharp 135 degrees turn, and then from point C we take another turn which is 95 degrees. Correct. So we get a triangle whose one side is given to us and actually two angles are given to us, right? And we need to find the length of the whole trail. So let's figure out all the angles first. So this angle B, is how much? Angle B is equals to 180 degrees minus 135. Okay, so which is 45 degrees for us. Now angle C is how much? Angle C is 180 degrees minus 95, right? So 90 is kind of half of 180, 95, so 5 less than 90. So we get 85 degrees here. So we have 85 degrees on this side. So that gives us two angles. We can always find the third angle, right? So this third angle should be how much? This third angle should be 180 minus some of these, right? So we say angle A is equals to 180 minus some of these two, which is 85 plus 45, right? Okay, let's use calculator and figure it out. So 180 minus 85 and then minus 45. So that is 50 degrees. We could also use remote angle. 135 should be sum of 85 and this angle, right? So if you do 135 minus 85, you also get 50 degrees, right? So that's an alternate way of finding this angle. So let me write this angle as 50 degrees. Now we know all the angles and one side, so we can find the other sides. So the constants which are known to us is this ratio, which is 3 kilometers over 85, sine of 85. So it is 3 over sine of 85. Let's calculate this. 3 divided by sine of 85 equals to 3.0114. 459, so I'll write 46, right? Now, so the ratios of sine, that means 3 over sine of 85 should be equals to CB or BC over sine of 50, which should be equal to AC over side is AC and angle is 45, sine of 45 degrees, correct? So that is how we can find CB and AC using this constant. It's kind of better always to calculate this constant out, right? So we have CB equals to 3.01146, which is 3 over sine of 85 times sine of 50 degrees, correct? Let's calculate this. I already have that value here in the calculator. I'm going to multiply that by sine of 50. That gives us 2.30. So I'm writing this as 2.3 and the units are kilometers. So that is one length. The other side length of the triangle is AC. You see AC equals to sine of 45 times 3.01146, correct? And that is equals to, so 3.01146 times sine of 45. 2.129, so I can write 2.13 kilometers, right? So that is AC. Now the question is, how long is the entire trail? So the trail is how long? You have to add all the three, right? So we have 3 plus 2.3 plus 2.13, which is equals to 3257.43 kilometers, right? So that is the length of the whole trail, 7.43 kilometers, right? So it's a straight application of sine law, which can help us find the length of the trail. Now here we were given two angles and one side, so sine law makes sense. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.